In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can enter currencies on Excel. So your local currency, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. By default, it's on dollar, but I'm going to show you guys how you can, deselect all that. So it's simple and easy. By default, your Excel or your cells are being set to general. General means numbers, and then you get it, numbers, and you can also type words as well. So now let's select the range here. Good. So we want this range to be currency. That's why we have this here called currency. So we choose currency. Good. Automatically it will be set to dollar. So let me try enter 25 and let me press on enter. You can see I have dollar here. Good. So now I need to change the currency. You get it? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on this here. Dollar has been selected. That's why I see dollar here. This is pounds. This is euro. This is Chinese yen and the rest. So currently I'm in Ghana, so I need to search for Ghana. So tap on currency here. Now tap on the symbols here, and I need to scroll down and search for Ghana. So let's say you are in Nigeria too as well. I'm going to see Nigeria. This is Nigeria. Let me tap on that. The 3,000 changes, and now I'm entering 250. 1, 2, 3 is 250,000. Good, and that's naira. So let's say I'm trying to change it now to Ghana cedis. So this side will be Ghana cedis. So I highlight the side I want it to be Ghana cedis, and I select the currency. Good, I come here and then I choose Ghana cedis, which should be G. It's going to be A, B, C, D, E, F. Good, so it should be around here. Good, so I see the Ghana cedi and okay, and I come here and I enter 500 here. Good, and that's Ghana cedis. You get it? So let's say I want to choose pounds. So pounds for this section. Sorry, I need to highlight once again. When you're working with Excel, you need to be highlighting your ranges. Sorry. Why am I facing this problem this time? Good, so here let me try make it pound. That's United Kingdom pound. The change didn't take effect. Good, so now I change it to currency. From my currency I change it to euro. Now let me try entering something here, and now I change it to euro. So that's it on how you can change currencies when you are entering something on Excel. So you can choose your local currency. You cannot be choosing only dollar. Dollar is not the only currency we have. You can be choosing your peso and the rest. So I'm going to make a tutorial on how you can choose dollar, euro, Ghana cedis, naira, peso. I think I have such tutorial on Microsoft Word. I'm going to do that for Excel too. Some time to come, I'm going to do that there. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, you give me a like and you subscribe to my channel. Peace.